Leonardo Nair tutorial video. This is a video which gone viral on Twitter, Reddit and other social media forums, and lot of netizens are asking about this video. So before moving to the review on this video, it is my request to subscribe my channel by pressing bell icon. Comment video gone viral. Actually, this is a video which he uploaded on his official channel, and this is a video which is a short tutorial of 5 seconds. And now this video gone viral on Twitter, Reddit and other social media forums. And Kevin Leonardo is a hot subject of the day, and a lot of netizens are sizzled by uploading this tutorial video. Actually, this is a video which gone viral, and soon it become the hotmost topic of the day. And famous YouTuber now is scandalized with this video that he uploaded on his own channel. More details are on the way. As soon as we will receive the footage and clips, we will share with you. Stay tuned, subscribe my channel, like this video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.